In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in the new email builder. So let's jump right in. For those of you familiar with email marketing, you know how important visuals are in capturing your audience's attention, whether it's for a campaign, a newsletter, or a one-time promotion. Adding images can make all the difference. Today, I'll guide you through this process using Mailchimp's latest email builder. First things first, we begin by heading to Mailchimp. Make sure you're logged into your account and are at the home page. Once you're there, your first step is to locate the campaigns option. You'll usually find this in the top navigation bar. Click on it and it will take you to the page where all your email campaigns are stored. Once on the campaigns page, you'll see a list of all your existing campaigns. Go ahead and choose the campaign you want to edit. Simply click on the edit button associated with that campaign, and this will take you to the detailed settings for your selected email. Now you'll want to click on Edit Design. This button lets you access the email editor where you can make your visual modifications. Once inside the email editor, look for an Add option. It's typically prominently displayed in the editing tools. Once you spot it, click on it, and this will begin the process of adding new elements to your email. From the Add menu, search for the Image option. You'll likely find it listed along with other types of content you can add like text blocks or buttons. Click on Image, and you should then see an area in your email where the image can be inserted. Click the section labeled Add Image. This will bring up the opportunity to upload a new image file from your device. If you're ready to upload, find the Upload button. Clicking it will open a dialog box where you can search through your device's files. Choose the image you wish to add, select it, and confirm your selection to upload it into Mailchimp's media library. Once the image is uploaded, you may want to explore image-related actions or settings like resizing or aligning it to fit your email's layout. For these adjustments, navigate to the Actions button. Here you can explore different settings to tweak the image appearance as needed. Finally, once you're satisfied with your email design, it's time to wrap things up. You should see options to save and exit your work, or if this is a layout you'd like to reuse, opt for Save as a Template. Choose the option that best fits your needs. And there you have it, effortlessly incorporating images into your emails using Mailchimp's new builder. With these steps, you're well on your way to create